more energy is within your reach. When you bring up the word energy in conversation, people respond. It seems as if everyone is looking for ways to increase his or her energy level and vitality. We need energy to succeed on the job, at home, in our social lives, and to feel good about ourselves. Sometimes we treat energy like an item we can't afford at an expensive store. But having more energy actually is as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. You have to feed your body properly. 2. You have to make your body move an adequate amount. 3. You have to give your body sufficient rest. Here are some tips on achieving ample energy and vitality. Remember, you are what you eat and drink. We tend to gravitate toward sugar, white flour, and processed foods that don't give an optimum type of return on our eating investment. By eating this way, we lose vitamins, minerals, and important nutrients. It's important to build an exceptional nutritional foundation. Enzymatic therapies Fatigue to Fantastic Energy Revitalization System provides the necessary nutrients at the right levels to safely and powerfully help people achieve peak energy. This daily energy drink mix and B complex vitamin delivers more than 50 vitamins, minerals, and nutrients and replaces the equivalent of more than 30 tablets. In addition to good nutrition, we also need a large amount of water. Think of all the good things water does for your body and drink up. Move it. Adopt a do more than now philosophy. For example, if you have no exercise routine, start walking. If you are walking 20 minutes a day, set a goal of 30 minutes. Sleep, perchance to dream. 100 years ago, the average American was sleeping 9 hours a night. We're now down to 6.5 hours, which is not enough for tissue repair or to recharge our batteries. If you've bought into the myth that you can somehow cheat the system when it comes to proper sleep, think again. If energy is your goal, adequate sleep has to be a part of the equation. Consider adding Fatigue to Fantastic Revitalizing Sleep Formula to your regimen. Formulated with 6 highly effective herbals, it can help you get to sleep faster and wake up energized. Take charge of your energy level. Reclaim your energy and reclaim your life. Incorporating enzymatic therapies Fatigue to Fantastic Energy Revitalization System found in health food stores nationwide is a step in the right direction. Proper nutrition, regular exercise, and rest are the essential building blocks for enjoying life with new vitality.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.